अबाउट लाइन बाय इन्वायरमेंट। तो आप देख सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट में मैंने सेव एनर्जी बनाया है, जिसमें हमको जो सूर्य से किरणें मिलती हैं उसको हमको सेव करना चाहिए, ना ही कि वेस्ट करना चाहिए। और सेकंड में है सेव वाटर, जिसमें आपको वाटर का सब कम से कम यूज़ करना चाहिए। और थर्ड में है सेव प्लांट्स, जिसमें आपको छोटे छोटे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनका भी यूज़ करना चाहिए, ना ही कि उनको फेंक देना चाहिए। और फिर है स्टॉप पॉल्यूशन, जिसमें से जो कार बस एंड स्कूटी होती है उसमें से जो पॉल्यूशन निकलता है उससे हमारे जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उसको टेक करते हैं और डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं। और थर्ड फिर है स्टॉप यूजिंग प्लास्टिक, जिसमें आपको जो प्लास्टिक दिखाया गया है उसको कम से कम यूज़ करना चाहिए। और लास्ट में है स्टॉप कटिंग प्लांट्स ट्री, जिसमें हम सबसे ज़्यादा प्लांट्स काटते हैं और हमको सबसे कम प्लांट्स काटने चाहिए। थैंक
We are gathered here to celebrate World Environment Day. So first of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Environment Day. We all celebrate Environment Day on 5 June every year. We celebrate Environment Day to spread awareness among people to save our environment. As we all know that some greedy peoples are overusing the resources for fulfilling their greeds and to make money. But it is all harmful for our human environment, because if we will not leave the resources for our upcoming generation, so our upcoming generation will be in danger. And so for development we can use sustainable development. Sustainable development is a way by which we can develop our country without compromising with our physical environment and by our upcoming generation. There are many ways by which we can save our environment. Like as in the place of non-renewable resource, we can use renewable resources. We all know that automobiles and vehicles run with fossil fuels, like as petrol and diesel. But petrol and diesels are non-renewable resource, which can also harm our environment, because automobiles extract harmful gases like as carbon dioxide, methane and carbon monoxide. And if we will cut all the trees in our environment, so the air is not going to be purified. And these harmful gases will deplete the ozone layer. When the ozone layer will deplete, so the UV rays is not going to be reflected, which are coming from the sun. And the UV rays will directly harm our skin and our environment also. So there are some points by which we can save our environment. First, we have to use sustainable development for the development of our country. In the place of non-renewable resource, we can use renewable resource. We have to do afforestation in the forests. We have to slow down the deforestation of cutting down the trees.
Environment helps in nourishment and growth of all living species. Environment Day is a day specially celebrated to know and solve all the environmental issues. Environmental pollution causes global warming, acid rains, and depletion of natural resources. The environment plays a pivotal role in the existence and development of all living things on Earth. The importance to celebrate Environment Day is it helps
global warming, climate change. Thank you.
Over the world, it is the day to spread awareness about protecting the environment. June 5th was declared as World Environment Day by the UN General Assembly at the pollution, deforestation and loss of biodiversity. The theme of World Environment Day 2024 is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. The slogan of this event will be our land, our future. We are generation restoration. Land restoration is an important theme of World Environment Day
Celebrated on 5th June every
It
year.
is very
The first
important
world
for everyone to save the environment. Saving our environment is
So
in
today
our
I want
hand.
to give a speech on World Environment Day. June 5th is celebrated as World Environment
Remind
Day
us
all
to
over
take
the
care
world.
of environment. Environment is surrounding where we live. We should keep our environment
Celebrated as World
Thank you.
Environment Day all over the world. It is a day to spread awareness about protecting the environment. June 5th was declared as World Environment Day by the UN General Assembly at
Remind
the
us to
Stockholm
take care
Conference.
of environment. Environment is surrounding where we live. We should keep our environment neat and clean. Thank you and have